Already, check it out. We just finished up right here this 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. Added the ultimate Bubba setup. This thing came out very looking nice right here. If you got one of these trucks and you're looking for this type of setup, let me show you what we did. Starting off in the suspension, we did the 3-inch Cognito leveling kit with the Cognito SM upper control arms, heavy duty. Added these Fox 2.0 shocks with the reservoirs right here. This kit also comes with the torsion keys. Check it out right here. This thing came out very nice. For the tires, we kept the stock Denali wheels and added these 37x13.50r20 Cognito mud grapplers right here. Check out that aggressive tread. It's not very badass. We did have to do some trimming right here. Lower portion right here of this valence. We also added that mud flap delete for that extra clearance. Check out the stance and poke on this setup. With that 13.5-inch tire, you are getting a little bit of poke on this, but it's just the right amount. Check out the side profile. This kit levels the truck from front to rear. Gives it that nice aggressive stance. This is the ultimate Bubba setup you can add to these trucks. Check that out right here. We did add some 2-inch wheel spacers right here. If you're wondering if this setup fits with the stock wheels, it does, but you do need to run some wheel spacers, so these have some 2-inch wheel spacers on it. Other than that, the setup right here is very nice looking, perfect for daily driving. Has that nice aggressive stance. So if you're looking for a setup like this, we got the solution here at Cosmos Truck Accessories, your one-stop shop for truck accessories. Quality products, quality service, expert installation. Phoenix, Arizona.